I'm going to show you how to create a Deriv third-party app just like that, like this, guys, so that you can actually be making commission. Guys, so if you look at this place, you can see that this is my app and it's already working fine, guys. And I'm going to show you how to create this particular app just like this, guys, so that you can actually be making commission from Deriv. And if you look at here, I have two, like this one is frank.site and this is both.frankfs.com, and I'm already earning commission on this, guys. And this is a app that Deriv actually give you a permission so that you can start building and be making money from it, guys. And this is for developers, and Deriv made it possible so that the developer can actually build their own third-party app. And when you build it, you can actually, somebody can come and trade on your app, and you make a commission when you are the person trade. Whether the person lose or you gain, you will still make your commission, guys. So if you are using this app, guys, you can actually making a very big amount if people are coming to your app to come and trade. So and this app contains a lot of things, guys, and that's what I'm going to show you. So just you need to pay attention because this is very technical and is a developer. So it's like you are you need to be like you need to know about developing, like creating something. So but I'm going to tell you the way that you can make it easier for you guys so that you can actually start developing your own. Because if I start making it as it used to be, guys, and you know that it's going to take you a lot of time, so I'm going to make it simple so that you can actually understand it. So let's begin. So first of all, we are going to go to Deriv API because that's what talk about this particular app. So if you go to Deriv API, let's type Deriv API because that's where they tell you to Deriv API. Just type Deriv API on your Google, then the first link that's going to pop up, just click it, and that's where we are going to start, guys. We are going to start creating our own. First of all, you need what you call what you need to create a app token, and you need to create app ID. So what you needed is what your app ID to start, because that app ID is what Deriv is going to use to be paying you and where somebody link to your account. So let me just show you something here before I begin. So imagine if somebody want to come and trade on this account. Now the person need to log in, and if person log in, let me say I click login here. Let me show you how this. You can see this place. You can see my app ID. You can see it will tell the person you previously logged. You can see that I already logged to this app. So it will show permission here. You can see. So it will show permission, read your profile, read your trading information, trade. So this is the permission that I gave this app was given, so that the app ID. And if you look at here, you can see that this is app ID, guys. This is app ID. So and the person need to get this permission from my app, and this is what the permission that I already that my app can grant to the person, guys. Like read your profile, just read trading and trade information. No like no account like admin here. So that's because we are already set everything here from this Deriv API. This is the permission we. So I'm going to start now. So first of all, if you come, you have to log in with your normal Deriv account. Then you come to this dashboard, Deriv API. Then that's where I'm going to show you where we created. You can see that we have already. This is where I was starting. And it took me long, like I told you guys, this was not easy because it had been long. I've been doing this, like I've been doing this when I started, when I don't have when I don't know what is Deriv API. Maybe because even by then I don't see it on YouTube. People are not posting it on YouTube because it was so long, and I search it on YouTube, I hardly see it, guys, because nobody was posting. Not just now that we will see Deriv third-party app. So that was then. You can see I have a practice and the new app ID and WordPress. I even created some things there, like even code pain. I was trying a lot of things, guys. So but I don't want you to go to follow that level again, because this is just as fast. So first of all, you come to this app application, then you need to register new app. So this there is what you call app token. This is app token, and this is app this is where we create app ID. So just come to create new app, register new application. You just click it, then you can name your app. Let's say like this, we are trying to create let's just create make it name our app ID test, just lesson app ID. I'll delete this lesson app, just like that. Then we need to like you need to tick this thing, guys. So remember, Deriv will tell you have to go through this thing, so that Deriv will tell you don't use binary or Deriv or similar words. So you don't need to write something here, because that's what is going to show here. You can see this place. So you can see this is what I gave my own app ID. You can see Frank FS Bot. So you can see Frank FS Bot. This is what is going to show when somebody want to log in. That's because I've already logged in. So yeah, but if I click, you can see that's what is going to show here. So you don't need to write anything like Deriv or binary. So that's what they mean. So that it will not show here as you are writing Deriv, because it will think that it is an official Deriv site or binary site. So you just need to click click this thing, then you register. Remember, our app is what? Lesson app. So now it is going to tell you configure. So we are now going to I will come back to this configure later, but let me just show you configure here so that you can understand it. So we have already created it. So this is a markup. So this is what, let's show you a markup here. So you can see that this is the app ID we just made, and let me just show you the markup here. So what is markup? Markup is something that they used to pay you guys, and when they pay you, they used to pay you on markup. Like let me just give you an example here. Assuming that, let me just log in to this app, guys. Let me just log in and show you something here, guys. I've already logged in and I'm still going to show you something. So now that let me just this thing load so that I can show you, because I need to give you a practical lesson so that you can understand what is markup. So that's how I teach, so that you can understand what you are doing here, and when you are doing it, you can understand what you are actually doing. So you can choose which one is better for you, like this app, these two apps are different apps, and they are doing the same job, guys. You can create app on many things. You can create app. So you can see that I already logged in. Let me just go to demo and show you example here. So let me just click on my demo and show you example here. So what is markup? Markup, let me just load a bot here. I'm just going to load any bot here. Just load any bot here, and just load any bot here. So when I click, let me just show you something. If I click run, let me just click run here, and let me just click run. We are going to remember, this is not we are not doing analysis here. We are not trading analysis. Just we are might get loss or lose, like get loss or profit. So we are not trying to trade, but I'm trying to show you something. So this a particular things here you are seeing here. We are buying contracts here, and you can see we are lost. Yeah, you can see that we lost here. So when somebody trade on this, like this particular things like this, you can see that I made a loss here. You can see 0.50. Then and you get your commission. You get your commission when somebody trade like this. You get your commission. You understand that? Like if somebody trade on this thing right now, like this, like somebody trade on this thing now, you are getting your commission. Like this, somebody trade like this, you are getting commission whether the person lose or win. So like this is 0.50. You can see 0.50. Then if you come to this markup, let's say we set it like 3. I think 3 is the highest. Okay, 3 is the highest. You can see. So my own I set it like 2.5, but you can set your own 3. So if somebody trade on this thing, guys, you earn each this thing somebody trade, you earn what? You earn 3% from this. So 3% of $1, 3% of 0.5, that's what you are earning, guys. So you are earning that, and that's what you are earning continuously, guys, and you will continue earning from that, guys, and that is what this bot is about. So this markup will show you what you are going to be earning 3%. You can set it 2%, you can set it 2.5, you can set it, but 3 is highest. Then we are going to go to another thing to show you something, guys. I'm going to go to another thing to show you something here. So let me just show you something here, guys. And okay, now we are coming to redirection. Okay, redirection, you can see that when I log in, when you are trying to, let me just log out from this particular app, or let me just use this one and try to log in so that you can understand, because I like to show you everything, like how it works, guys, and how it works. Let me just try to log in with this one so that you can understand. So when I try to log in with this one, you can see, so you can see what is here. It's telling you derivw.com. This is WebSocket that is connecting to Deriv. You can see that I click my app, is now redirecting to Deriv WebSocket. This is API Deriv, like is now taking the person to Deriv Deriv what login. So this is what happened, guys. So after you have login, guys, then it will redirect you. After you have log into your Deriv account, then it is going to redirect you to your normal account, guys. It's going to redirect you to your app. So it's now get the token. So the Deriv will get the token. So if I log in right now from my app, the person that logging in this Deriv official app, my app will not see the password or anything. So I will not collect any password. It's Deriv that collecting the password. Then Deriv collect the password and detail. Deriv will confirm that this person have an account on Deriv. Then Deriv will send the token to my app. Send the token to my app. I don't know if you understand. Let me just show you an example here. Let me just log in, because I want to show you everything practical, how things work, guys. How things work. Let me just give you an example of how things work, because this Deriv API, it took me a lot of time before I understand it, guys, and I work on it very, very much before I understand. So let me just log in here. So you can see now it's telling me that I approve application. You can see, so this is I will show you, this is the read user profile, read your trading information, trade. You can see this is the permission that I'm granting this app. So I grant this app on my app. So it's now, you can see that it's now Deriv is now trying have confirmed my password. Is now trying to redirect me to this my app again. Look at here, guys. You can see that this is Deriv. This is the Deriv. This is Deriv have confirmed my password that I have an account on them. Then they are now trying to transfer me to my app again, to that app again. I don't know if you understand. So this is where you are going to do it, guys. You can see. So this is where you are going to put your app redirection. This is your where you are going to. You have to put your app here. App. Like this is my app that is called what, Frank. You can see that my Frank FS bot is no longer here. So when I click now continue with Frank FS bot, you can see it will now redirect me to Frank bot site. You can see, so you can see that it's right there. They directed me back to my app. So this is what we mean, guys. So I will copy this thing right now. So let me just copy it, and this is where I'm going to paste it. So this is where I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to paste it here. So this is where I'm going to paste it. Remember, we already have what, I'm just trying to give you an example. So this is where I'm going to paste it. So remember the permission we gave it before. You can see this is where you are going to give the permission, read trade information. We don't click this one, because this one is to perform deposit and withdrawal on your client behalf, which is not needed. And this one is admin, which means they are having access to the admin account, to the person account, which is not needed, guys. So don't click this one. So if you click this one, it's not okay, because you are trying to have access to the person's account, which is not okay. So you have to just make this 3 and you have to click it. So right now I'm going to click update. So remember, we are now register our app. Remember, our app is lesson. So you can see lesson app. So and the this is the bot. So when somebody click our app, it's going to redirect, do the same thing as here, and redirect the person to here, guys. So this is how we register our app, and when we register it, it's going to. So I'm now going to take you to documentation so that you can understand documentation, because this is the way you build your app. I don't know if you understand this. This is where we build your app. So this is where Deriv keep with this thing to build your app. Okay, now let's come to the documentation. So this is you have to go through this thing. So if you can go through this thing to understand what it's about. So this is account setup. But this thing will be very harder for you. That's why I said that I'm going to make it easier for you to understand it, to make it easier for you, for those who don't know how to code. Because me, when I was trying to go through this, I don't know about coding, and very stressful. So it's not even now that I've understand some things. So now if you go to Deriv setup, you can see you have authentication, you have understand API. So if you go to let's say we go to account setup, we click this thing. So you can see that it says that you should visit Deriv, sign up, blah 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 blah. So you have to create all these things. So this is what we just have done. So I'm going to take you, so you can see, you can read all this documentation. You need to have account. All this is what I have told you. Manage account, all these things. So you need to have an account on Deriv and create your CRs. Let me just show you all these things, guys. So this is that you need to have you need to have your account, which is CR. This, let me just show you on the token, on inside token, so that you can understand. So you need to have an account, like you can see all these things. You have to have like CR, that is you need to have this particular, you have to be on CR. You can see. So all this thing, if you want to create a token, so but we are not needing token right now. So we just need an app ID so that you can use to connect an app. So that is the documentation, guys. And you register your application dashboard. You can see those things I have showed you. So you just have to do it, and just simple. So if you has it been that I'm not telling you like this, it will be hard for you guys. You can see those things. So all this is blah 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 blah. So before you to start reading all this is very hard. So this is, and we are going to come to let me show you on the authorization. So like I will show you authorization. Now you have to create account, register app, create a token. So you have to go through these things, all this through all these things, set up account, register app token. So and you have to register. I have shown you token, so you have to register token. So token is to show you if you want to access the person account, like you want to access the person's balance and all those things, you have to create a token. So sometimes if you look at I think my app, there's a place that we ask you for token if you want to get what, if you want to there's a place that I think copy trade that is required token. Okay, you can see, so it's a required credit client token. So this is how you can create your token here. So if you want to create a token, you can create a token here and use it to apply. So but we are talking about app, creating app, third-party app right now. So now that we have done our this thing, so let's continue going back to our documentation. So right now we are all those things we have done it. So let me just go back so that you can understand it more, because this thing is very very so you need to register, then create token. Let's see, create token. I've shown you how to create your token. So again, let me go back to authentication. So let's go back to what? Authentication. Let me just go back to authentication. So now we have to go back to what? Authentication. So this is authentication is very very important, guys. In this authentication is very very important, and this is where you are going to make your users to like what I showed you. You can see here, just go through this thing, you will find those referral. You can actually put a referral link. Like if somebody come here now want to sign up, like this my app right now, if somebody come, has it been that I'm not logging right now, let me just log out again so that you can see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to log out right now. Let me just log out. So if somebody like this, I've logged out. If somebody click here right now to sign up, I can get a commission, another commission, because somebody used my, I can put my referral link here, or I allow it to use Deriv default. So that's what we're talking about here. So you can actually put your referral link, and you can still make what? Commission from that if somebody clicks. So you can actually put a referral link on this thing. So just like that. And so just relax. I'm going to show you, I'm going to show you the easiest part you can do this thing, guys, so that, because for you to start coding all these things, it's going to take you a lot of time, guys. So you can see, so let me just so we have talked about read, all these things. You can see read, manage, all these things. So authorization, so those things is what we have done, and I've showed you about that. So this is token that I've showed you, that when you log in the Deriv, we transfer the token to your app. So it's not transferring the password or any username of the account. So it will transfer the token to your account, telling the person that telling your app that this person can have access of your account. So they identify the person. So that's what I showed you. So, and again, the authorization process is what is happening, guys. You can see, so after you have logged in, this is authorization process. The person, then the account balance will show, and all those things will show your video account, or your real account will show. So, and that is it, guys. So that is just very very simple. So how do you now get this app, guys? Like I have this app too. You can check which one is okay for you. Like this one now is this one is almost the same thing. Like they are not the same, but they have the same block. So this thing is built with different analysis. So if you come to Deriv site, you will see that this thing is not in Deriv site. You will see that this thing is not, analysis bot is not on Deriv site, strategies is not on Deriv site. So that's one thing about third-party app. And we are going to get this thing, you can see this one, you are going to get it from me, guys. So if you are ready to start trading, you are going to get a lot of things like this. All these boats you are seeing here, free boat. I already have what? Free boat here. Like you can see, there's a free boat here, guys. There's a free boat here which you can just come and load. There's no need of coming to and search for boats. You get all this, you can see. So I've already put it. Let's say you have put it here. So, and you just come and load the boat, guys. So you just come and load the boat, and the boat will start running. Once you load it, it will start running. So, and you just need to load the boat, and we start trading. So that is very very simple and very very easy, guys, to start having your own third-party app, which is very very easy, guys. So if you have your own third-party app, it's very very easy for you to start managing, managing, guys, and you can start making commission. And let me say, let's say that 10 people trade on your account every day. Let's say they are trading like 10 times or 20 times, you know, 100 times, 10 people, that's 100 times. Let's say that you are making commission of 0.00, you are making commission of 1 on each person, like on each trade, times it by 100, you are making $100 guys per day, just for 10 people. So this is actually making a cool money, guys, and you don't need to stress yourself much, guys, on this. So how do you get this app? Because I know if I tell you now to go and start building this app, you don't need to forget about what Deriv are telling you here. Where do you get the app? Where do you get the all this block? Don't ask me where do you get the block, because it's not about started with Deriv. You know, they tell you started with Deriv. So started with Deriv, started account setup. Okay, after you have set up your account, what about the block on itself? What about have you asked me where do I get this block, all these things? Where do I get the app on itself? Because this thing they are telling you here is how you can able to connect it, mark up all these things and put it. Where do you get the app itself? So this is where the question is, where do you get the app? So, or are you just going to manipulate the app somehow? So let me show you, let me just tell you, getting this app, you can get it, because I will tell you things. You can get this app from me. So from me, guys, you can get this app from me. I can give you the app and set it up for you. This app, you don't need to set all these things they are talking about here. This thing, you don't need to go through this thing. So I'm going to set it for you, and I'm going to set it only for 3 people who are going to come, who are going to message me. I'm going to set it, you are going to get the app only for $50, and I'm going to set it for you. Others is going to be different, because this app is a very big app, guys. It's just something like you just set it, not like this Deriv bot, Deriv building bot. So if you are watching my bot, you not about this building bot of a thing. So, and I think I have to update this bot because it's no longer making profit. Let me just, I think I have to update it, and I don't know which bot is now making, no longer making profit as it used to make. Is now which I don't like, so it needs to be updated. So if you find out that the bot is no longer earning as it used to earn, then you can actually update the bot. Like I'm going like this bot need to be updated because it's no longer earning profit much. No longer, I think it's no longer earning profit, which might hurt your app, not people coming to your app to trade. So you need to try to make sure that people are coming to your app to trade, guys, so that you can actually they can actually making profit, and you too can make profit, because the more they are making profit, the more you are making profit, guys. That is one thing about this app, because once the people are coming, they like your app. Like we put all those things here, guys, we put all those things here so that it can be easier for somebody, so that when you come like this analysis now, somebody come to this analysis, check analysis, we make it more easier so that it can easier for those who are not on a Deriv. They can find it very beautiful than Deriv. So assuming that somebody come to this place now, you check analysis, you see this over and under, you check which one, you give you analysis, then after you can see that this is 76, then you go and pick the trade, like volatility 700, then you go to Deriv builder, pick what volatility 700, volatility 100. You can see volatility 100, you go and pick it because he's telling you that the volatility 100 is more distant. You can see analysis is telling you that over volatility 100 is over 79 that time, guys. You can see updated now. It is let's say this okay, this is over 1. You can see. So you're now going to go to volatility 100 trade what volatility 100 index, because it is what over we are trading over here. You have to select digit and what over under, then select what over. So the now pick come down here, guys, because what I'm teaching you is I also trade, guys. I also trade. What I'm teaching you how you can able to trade, how you can able to use this app, make it more easier for people. So this thing you can't find it on a Deriv app. I'm telling you, you can't find analysis both on a Deriv app. So you can see So after this thing right now, you can actually come and pick your boat and start what running boat and start. You have get the insight on what analysis. You have get analysis insight. Now that you have a much confidence than trading on a Deriv. So this is what the app can give you that Deriv cannot give you, and that's so much. You have what you have trading view chart, you have what smart analysis. So we also have what smart analysis, guys. You can see smart analysis, guys. All those things is not on Deriv, so which is actually cool. So if you check it on the Deriv, and we will see what I'm talking about, guys. So this is not we are not trying to sugarcoat something. So even if you are trading on our app, you are actually getting a lot of things, guys. Even if you are, so that is one thing I want to show you there. So if you want this app, I'm going to set it up for 3 people for $50, guys. I'm going to set it up for free 3 people $50. Others is going to be different charges, guys. So if you are among the 3 people who are going to reach me, I'm going to drop my account on distribution so that you can get the app. So you can get the app and set it for you, guys. And that is it, guys. So in case you have any question, you can actually drop it in the comment section, and that is it, guys. So that's what I want to show you for today, guys. And for that, I will see you in my next video.